Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something pretty cool, a specific 1xBet promo code that does way more than just the standard welcome bonus. We're going to show you how it unlocks a much better offer and actually puts you on the fast track to VIP status. So let's walk through the exact strategy, step by step. All right, let's cut right to the chase. The number you really need to care about is 130%. See, the regular offer for new users is a 100% deposit match, but the BETHIT code, that bumps it up to 130%. That extra 30% gives you a much bigger starting bankroll, and we're about to show you exactly how to get your hands on it. So here's our game plan for today. First, we'll compare the offers so you can see the difference for yourself. Then, we'll go through the exact steps to unlock your bonus. After that, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of the rules you have to follow. And finally, we'll see how this whole thing is really designed to launch you into the VIP program and all the goodies that come with it. Okay, let's get into our first section, the BETHIT advantage. So what really makes this offer different from what everyone else gets just for signing up? And this slide lays it out perfectly. Just look at the difference. On the left, you've got your standard, everyday 100% match. But over on the right, with the BETHIT code, you're getting a 130% match for sports, plus a whole separate casino package with up to 150 free spins. So it's not just one thing, it's a combo deal for both sports and casino fans. All right, so you see the better deal, you want it. How do you actually get it? Well, unlocking this bonus isn't automatic. You have to follow a very specific set of steps when you sign up. And here they are, the 5 mandatory steps. You can't skip any of these. Now, the source recommends using the email path, mainly because it nudges you to fill out your profile completely. Step 2, you have to type BETHIT into that promo code box. Then you choose your bonus, sports or casino. And number 4, and this is absolutely crucial, you have to go into your account and fill out all your personal data before you make that first deposit. And don't just take my word for it. Look at this quote. This is where so many people mess up. They think they can just fill it in later, but failing to complete your profile and activate your phone number can actually make you lose the bonus, especially when you try to withdraw later. It's not a suggestion, it's a non-negotiable part of the deal.
All right, you did everything right, and the bonus funds are sitting in your account. Fantastic. But, and this is a big but, it's not withdrawable cash just yet. Now comes the real challenge. You've got to meet the wagering requirements.
This is really the million-dollar question, isn't it? This is what separates just getting a bonus from actually being able to use it. So let's break down the rules, because they are completely different depending on whether you chose the sports or the casino offer.
Okay, for all you sports bettors, this table is your playbook. You have 5 main rules. First, you have to wager the bonus amount 5 times over. And listen to this part carefully. Only accumulator bets count. Those are bets where you combine multiple games into one big bet. Each of those accumulators needs at least 3 selections, and 3 of those selections have to have odds of 1.40 or higher. You get 30 days to get it all done.
Now, if you went for the casino bonus instead, the game totally changes. The rollover requirement is way, way steeper. You have to wager the bonus amount 35 times, and the deadline is super tight, just 7 days. The real key here is game contribution. Basically, slot games will almost always count 100% towards clearing that wagering requirement. But table games like blackjack, they often contribute very little or sometimes nothing at all. So this brings us to the bigger picture here. The BETHIT code isn't just about that initial cash boost. It's actually designed to be a launchpad, something to rocket you into the long-term rewards of the platform's loyalty program. You see, the whole platform runs on this 8-level loyalty system. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Everybody starts out at level 1, which is copper. You climb the levels by earning points from your betting. That bigger starting bankroll from the 130% bonus, it's basically an XP boost, giving you the fuel to play more, rack up those points, and climb the tiers way faster than a regular user. And here's the ladder you'll be climbing. It's a really clear path, right? You go through 8 levels, starting at copper all the way up to the ultimate prize, hitting VIP status. And that's where the rewards get seriously good. So you put in the work, you climb that whole ladder. What's actually waiting for you at the top? Let's take a look at the exclusive perks you unlock once you hit that final VIP tier. The rewards are, well, pretty substantial. But the real game changer, according to the source, is the cashback. At the lower levels, you get cash back on your lost bets. But at the VIP level, it's calculated on all of your bets, whether you win or lose. On top of that, you get your own personal account manager, higher limits, and access to exclusive offers. It really creates a totally different experience on the platform. Okay, before we wrap this up, we have to touch on something really important. This explainer is for informational purposes only. You have to remember that online gambling always involves financial risk. You have to be 18 or older to participate, and it is absolutely crucial to always gamble responsibly.
And so we'll end with this question to chew on. Is the real prize here that initial bonus money, or is it the elite status that bonus helps you achieve much faster? The whole strategy seems to be about using that initial momentum to unlock a permanent, high-value VIP status for the long run. Definitely something to think about. That's all for this one.